Hello everyone, myself Raju V, second BSc second sem COH Kolar. Today I am going to explain about the biofertilizers. Biofertilizers. Biofertilizers are not biofertilizers. Biofertilizers is the substances which contains the living microorganisms which when applied to the seeds, plant surfaces or soils colonizes the rhizosphere or the interior of the plant and promotes the growth by increasing the supply or availability of the primary nutrients to the host plant. Why biofertilizers? It's microbial grade green revolution. Biofertilizers are having it shown advantage over the chemical fertilizers, and it is economically and environmentally friendly too. With the increasing demand in agriculture, it has become important for us to increase the productivity by using various fertilizers, insecticides, pesticides. But with the tremendous use of these products, the soil has been affected badly because of the depletion in the essential minerals of the soil. So to overcome this problem, it has become important for all of us to use the different remedy for the production of various biofertilizers. They are best at economic value. Types of biofertilizers: nitrogen biofertilizers, compost biofertilizers, phosphorus biofertilizers, nitrogen fixing fertilizers, symbiotic rhizobium. It belongs to the rhizobiaceae family. The rhizobium bacteria present in the nodules of these crops are also efficient. They are always efficient. Therefore, the competitive efficient bacteria are isolated, screened, selected, and produced as carrier based inoculants. Morphology: unicellular, cell size less than 2 micrometer wide, short to medium, rod pleomorphic. And recommended host plants are pulses like chickpea, pea, lentil, black gram, green gram, cowpea, pigeon pea. Oil seeds include say soybeans, groundnut. Non-symbiotic includes a Azospirillum, Azotobacter. Azotobacter, it belongs to the Azotobacteraceae. It produces the growth promoting substances which improves the seed germination and growth of an extended root system. It produces the polysaccharides which improves the soil aggregation. Azotobacter suppresses the growth of an saprophytic and pathogenic microorganisms near the root system of crop plants. And recommended hosts are rice, wheat, millets, and other cereals as cottons, vegetables, sunflower, mustard, flowers. Increasing yield is 20 to 30%. Azospirillum. It belongs to the family Spirilleaceae. The bacteria has found to live within the root of an sorghum, bajra, rake plants. They are chemoheterotrophic and associated in nature secrete the growth regulatory substances. And recommended plants are rice, millets, maize, wheat, sorghum, sugarcane, and co-inoculants of legumes. Responses: average increase in the yield is 50 to 13%. Phosphate solubilizing biofertilizer. Phosphorus is one of the most important plant nutrients and may be critical nutrient for the optimum growth of the plants. Most of the soils is available in the form of phosphorus required a phosphate application. In the rhizosphere of the crops will render insoluble soil phosphate available to the plants due to the production and secretion of an organic acid by them. The use of these biofertilizers will also increase the availability of an phosphate from the rock phosphate applied directly even to the neutral to alkaline soils or when used for the preparation of an phosphor compost. Phosphate solubilizing microorganisms include efficient strains of bacteria, fungi, yeast, actinomycetes in this order. And its sources is respiration, aerobic, microaerobic. Growth media is a Pycoschias media. Advantages of using biofertilizers: they help to get a high yield of the crops by making a soil rich with the nutrients and useful microorganisms as necessary for the growth of the plants. Biofertilizers have replaced the chemical fertilizers as the chemical fertilizers are not beneficial for the plants. Plant growth can be increased by the biofertilizers are used because they contain natural components which do not harm the plants but do the vice versa. If the soil will be free of chemicals, it will retain its fertility, which will be beneficial for the plants as well as the environment, because plants will be protected from getting any diseases and environment will be free of pollutants. Biofertilizers are not costly and even poor farmers can make use of them. They are environment friendly and protect the environment against the pollutants. Disadvantages includes a much lower nutrient density, requires a large amount of get enough for the most crops, requires a different types of machines to apply them chemical fertilizers. Sometimes hard to locate in certain area. Phosphate solubilizing culture, rhizobium culture, azospirillum culture, and azotobacter and rhizobium. Conclusion and future prospects. The agrochemical industries is more sympathetic now to the concept of a bacterial inoculum than it has been previously. This is a genuine interest in developing a bacterial products that are reliable and then can act as a complement to the chemicals already on the market. Greenhouse crops are also primary target for the commercial inoculants. Pioneering genetic plants are already in the field expressing insecticidal proteins Bacillus thuringiensis in cotton plants, making them resistant to the various insect pests. A gradual and modest increases in the use of a bacterial inoculant is to use than expected. Agriculture is developed countries is in definitely the major promoter of bacterial inoculants that are environmentally friendly. Thank you.